So I am doing a follow-up on this place that was very bushy, my neighbor's place that has not been slashed for a while, and at least I can see they did something about it. They slashed it and it's now clean. They have started digging, ready for planting. The cassava tree is still here. You can see it's going up to my window. There is my window. So this one still I have to remove some branches. They left some. I'll have to still remove some. More cassavas are here. And this is a avocado tree. I have no issue with this. It's right in the middle. So there is no wall with that. So they slashed this place and we harvested the remaining pumpkins. So this place is clean, guys. You can see I can walk up to the very end of this place. It's very clean, nothing to worry about. But now the main issue that I have here is this mango tree. This has been a thorn in the flesh. You see where the mango tree is? The roots are going and soon they will be right under my foundation. This with bananas I have no issue because bananas don't have deep roots and I think their roots also don't spread. But with mango I know they will still spread. So this is what is my main issue here. They are not willing to cut it. They are not willing to cut it down, but now I have to do it myself. It's what I have to do. I'll not let it be there. It's a risk to myself and to my babies. So the place is now clean, guys. After that video that I showed you that time about this place being so bushy, the caretaker came from wherever, I don't know where he was, and he came and now he did this. But again it has been raining, so I think he's preparing this land so that he can plant again. Yeah, so this is my mango tree, banana. This here, it's almost, but not yet. It's almost ready, but not yet. So my plea or my cry was heard, and this, I'm coming from my balcony and you can see where that mango tree is, and imagine it's still growing. So it's just there, it's right on my wall, so you can just see it from here. This is the balcony. The mango tree is still growing, and at least the area was slashed. You can see it's now very, very clean, but the cassava tree is also still there. Then I'll have to cut it down myself. Because whoever was doing this, I told them to do it, but they assumed, because this is not trespassing. This now I must take action on my own. This is risk to my wall. You can just see my wall is over here, guys, over here. This is my wall over here. But they don't want to cut down this mango tree. I have talked and begged. No one is willing to cut down this mango tree. I'll do it. So the bushy area was slashed. This one I am happy about. It was slashed and it's now very clean. It has been raining and I know they want to start digging and planting. But for this mango tree, this one I have to deal with it myself. This is right from my balcony. Here also we need to start afresh. New beginnings, new beginnings, new beginnings. So these kales have stayed here for some time. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll remove like this, then replant this. Remove these tiny ones over here, and then I will replant this. So these ones are the suckers. We call them suckers. This is what we are going to replant. And then we remove this. I don't know why they were growing, they were not growing straight. They were slanting. I don't know why. Look at this one. Look at this one, the way it has grown. It has left the garden and it's going to the veranda. Same applies to this. I don't know why they were slanting like this, but I'll still use this. I'm still going to use this. The seedlings for new planting. So these are seeds I'm not going to buy. Just use what we have here. The reason as to why they were growing slanting like this is what I don't know. It's what I do not know. But I'll have to harvest some kales here. I'm not going to throw everything there. Kales that I need to remove for our use. These ones can be planted. mango is very sweet, but the coverings is very hard. So hard to chew. I want to prepare the eggplant. That's what we're having for dinner today. These ones are biringanya. I don't know the English name. I bought them and I forgot to put them in the fridge. So they like changed colors. These ones I can just sun dry and use. Today I'm just going to use the ones that are still green, the fresh ones. So I'll sort out. These are enough. Then the eggplant. This ones I had harvested some time ago, but I had not cooked them. So today is that day. This ones. So let's prepare this, guys. So this is what we're going to prepare today. First, I'm going to wash and then cut them. I don't know how you prepare your eggplants, but when I was young, my grandma, maternal grandma, she used to have so many eggplants. But their method of cooking it made me not love them that much. But when I grew up and I discovered there are many ways of cooking the eggplant, now it is one of my best vegetables. You know, I changed this color instead of this, but for the same plant. I don't know. Tell me in the comment section if you know why I changed that color. If there's something I did wrong, okay. While I was cutting them, one thing I've realized that the skin is very tough, this one, and this one is smooth, is soft when I'm cutting. So I don't know if I harvested this late or it. I want it to turn to golden brown. It's almost, but not yet. So this is how I prepare my mabende and bringanya. Eggplant and mabende. I don't know how to call mabende in English. So I'm not going to add any water. Just like this. And I'll have it with ugali. Very sweet. I have meat stew and ugali. So guys, thank you for watching my video up to this time. Kindly watch and subscribe. Help a girl to grow. Help YouTube to circulate our videos by liking. If you watch and you don't like, there is nothing that YouTube will do. But if you watch and like, it will go to a wider audience and will grow slowly by slowly, no rush. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye.